In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist 22. The XPPen Artist 22 Plus is a high-performance drawing display designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, featuring a spacious 22-inch screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. It boasts advanced specifications, including 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity provided by the X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus, allowing for precise control and a natural drawing experience. The display offers an expansive working area of 476.06 by 267.78 mm, combined with a full lamination process that eliminates parallax errors, ensuring that the stylus nib and cursor are perfectly aligned. With 99% sRGB color gamut coverage and the capability to switch between multiple color spaces, the device aims to deliver vibrant and accurate colors for high-level creations. Enhanced with features like a foldable stand, VEIKK compatibility, and multiple connectivity options including USB-C and HDMI, the Artist 22 Plus is well suited for a range of creative applications. Additionally, the package comes complete with essential accessories to facilitate an efficient and comfortable digital drawing experience. Number 2. GAOMON S620 Digital Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a compact and lightweight graphic tablet designed for artists and professionals seeking a versatile digital drawing tool. Featuring a high-resolution screen of 3840 by 2160 and an active area of 6.5 by 4 inches, it boasts 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise and natural line work. The tablet is equipped with a battery-free stylus utilizing advanced passive technology, eliminating the need for charging and ensuring uninterrupted usage. With 4 customizable express keys, users can enhance their workflow by quickly switching between functions. The S620 is compatible with various operating systems including Android, Windows, and Mac OS, as well as multiple drawing software applications like Adobe Photoshop and Corel Painter, making it suitable for digital painting, animation design, and document annotation. The package includes the tablet, digital pen, and additional accessories, all backed by a 1-year warranty, highlighting GAOMON's commitment to quality and innovation in digital art technology. Number 3. BIGME inkNote Tablet. The BIGME inkNote Color Plus Lite is an advanced e-book reader designed to enhance the digital reading experience. Featuring a 10.3-inch color e-ink screen with a high resolution of 300 ppi, it closely mimics the feeling of reading traditional paper, making it comfortable for long reading sessions. Its lightweight design ensures portability, while the integration with the Google Play Store expands its functionality beyond just reading, offering access to millions of apps and games. The device supports Wi-Fi connectivity for easy downloads and has 64 GB of internal storage, expandable via a TF card, catering to diverse reading preferences. With features like Bluetooth support, recording capabilities, and compatibility with various file formats including text and comics, the BIGME inkNote Color Plus Lite is a versatile companion for modern readers, packaged with a stylish leather case and stylus for added convenience. Number 4. VEIKK A15 Pro. The VEIKK A15 Pro is a versatile graphic tablet designed for both amateur and professional digital artists, featuring a vibrant 10.1-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. This tablet supports an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and boasts a 290 pps report rate, allowing for seamless and natural drawing experiences using its battery-free passive pen. With a generous drawing area of 10 by 6 inches and a slim profile of only 9 mm, it is both portable and functional. The A15 Pro includes a quick dial and 12 customizable shortcut keys, enhancing productivity by streamlining access to frequently used functions. Its broad compatibility extends across various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Android, and it supports major design software like Photoshop and Illustrator. The package comes with essential accessories such as replacement nibs and a protective case, along with a 1-year warranty and a return policy to ensure customer satisfaction. Number 5. GAOMON WH851 Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON WH851 graphic tablet is a versatile and advanced digital drawing tool ideal for creative professionals and enthusiasts alike. Featuring an 8-inch diagonal screen with a working area of 203.2 by 127mm in PC mode and 127 by 63.5mm in phone mode, this tablet boasts an impressive 16,384 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, ensuring precise and accurate strokes. The tablet operates wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0, offering a communication range of 5 to 10 meters, and provides an extended battery life of 18 hours with a quick charging time of about 2.5 to 4.5 hours. Its lightweight design, along with a low saturation finish to minimize reflection, enhances the creative experience. The WH851 includes a spinning mechanical dial and 8 programmable keys, allowing users to customize their workflow effectively. It is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux, and supports multiple drawing and design software, making it an excellent tool for note-taking, digital art, and remote work. The package comes complete with essential accessories, including a stylus with enhanced pen technology for a more lifelike drawing experience.